Hello and welcome to ClearTech. If you want to buy RGB fan for your PC in India and stuck between some choices, then today I have two RGB fans which you can get in India. Both are from relatively reputed brands. One is of Circle 16X7C and other one is Redgear Turbo F1. Both are compelling options because both brands are recognized in India PC building community. I already am a customer of both these brands. I personally own a Redgear keyboard and a Circle cabinet, and I hope to help you in making the right purchase. Well, before getting into any details, let's discuss purpose. I mean, for what purpose these fans are best suited. Well, you should get these fans only as intake and exhaust, not as heatsink or radiator fan replacement, because these two fans cannot manage static pressure, and I'm gonna make video about static pressure fans where those fans are required and suited best in comparison with normal airflow fans like these, and I'm gonna update the description with the link of that video. Talking about these two fans, well, both of these fans are 120 mm. Both of these fans come with a standard screw that you need to mount with PC cabinet. The Circle fan comes with 4 long screws which I couldn't find any use of. Both of these fans don't have threads built in the place of screw. You have to forcefully screw them and it will make the threads in the process. Talking about looks, well, the fins of both fans have glossy finish that repels dust, which not a single Sonil pod screener wants in their PC. I own a static pressure thermal take fan, which fins have matte finish, and oh boy, it is pain in the eye while cleaning. Both of these fans have black plastic frames, which is matte finish and not made of very premium materials, but gets the job done. But same cannot be said about fins, which seems to have made of different plastic apparently. Both of these fans have paddings where you screw these fans and they come in contact with PC case. If these fans cause any vibration, which as of now is null, will be absorbed by these foam paddings hopefully. The Circle fan has white foam paddings which highlights as the whole frame is black, while the Red Gear fan have black foam padding which blends with its frame color. Both these fans claim to have 500 mm long cable, but in reality the Circle has 380 mm cable and the Red Gear have 560 mm. And the horror doesn't end there. The Circle have very selfish connector too. Its Molex connector cannot be used to pass power. Not only Circuit lied about cable length, but has very selfish Molex connector too. Apart from Molex connection, both of these fans have 3-pin motherboard connection too. If you connect your fan by motherboard connection, then your motherboard can control the fan speed, which not only reduces the power consumption when your PC is cool enough, but also will reduce sound that goes with fan speed. I will talk about sound later in this video. One thing that is wrong with both of these fans is their 3-pin connector. I mean, if you are sensitive about your PC looks, which you are because you are buying these RGB fans, then why would you want to see these hanging Molex connector when you plug these 3-pin connector on your motherboard? I suggest to cut the Molex connector if you want to use 3-pin connector on your motherboard. And in the future, if you need Molex connection, you can always buy 3-pin to Molex adapters. Now we are heading into lights department. Both of these fans have RGB, but the light placement are different on the both fans. The Redgear fan have light in different separate rings, which you can see in the video. The Circle fan has LED strip pasted on its chassis alongside finishes, which can be noticed if you look sideways, but pretty easy to ignore when fan is in use. But they are bare LEDs with no casing whatsoever. The fan from Red Gear has black semi-transparent fins, which doesn't reflect much light to notice. And the Circle fan has totally transparent fins, which because of internal reflection increases the whole lightened area. Both of these fans have optical illusion of their own, which nobody talks about. Not because their speed is changing, but because their light is. Different color of light have different wavelength, which get absorbed by same matter differently. It's been ages since I've read any physics book, so I may not be entirely correct. But boring physics talk apart, you are gonna witness different optical illusion as the light changes. I have made a separate video of one full loop of color changing of these fans. You can check those on the description and have a look. That video is real time, isn't speed up even a bit. Still on the lights page and talking about control. Well, you don't have any control over lights on these two fans. You cannot control their pattern or shut them off while keeping the fan spinning. I personally like the lighting of circle fan, and because of the transition between color is so smooth and subtle. But that could be just me. Again, check loop video on the description. Now we are talking about direct comparison. Well, if you have already made up your mind between these two fans, then I hope this comparison helps you. We have talked about lightings. One major aspect of fan is airflow, obviously, which circle fan has twice as much, well more than twice to be precise, which can be felt when placing your palm in front of it. Coming into sound, the circle fan is on paper is about 6 decibel louder, but 25.7 decibel sound is quite unnoticeable. The circle fan also mentions long life bearing, which makes us come into life expectancy, which is 50,000 hours of circle fans compared to 20,000 hours of red gear. The circle fan has 150 more rotations per minute than the red gear one, and it sits at 1650 rpm with 10% plus or minus variance. But one more important thing is price. At this time the red gear fan sells at 500 rupees while the circle one sells at 900. You can get another red gear fan just by adding 100 rupees to the price of circle fan. And in the conclusion, the circle fan is my choice because it takes single 120 slot and throws twice as much air than red gear fan. I also like that the circle fan has more lightened area and the white foam padding makes it stand out even more in my opinion. But if you are on a tight budget and wants a good RGB fan from a reputed brand and likes ring LED, red gear is your choice. Well, everything I describe about looks is my opinion. What I might find beautiful, you might find deal breaker. So see for yourself and make your own choice. Both these fans are covered with 1 year warranty, and to claim the warranty, you have to mail those guys in the company and courier the item to them. In such cases, you have to bear the cost of courier one time, but when the item will ships back to you, it will be covered by them. Talking about warranty still, Circle sent me a warranty card of different fan. Well, that's pretty useless detail, but that's why when I say thanks a lot for watching, I really mean it.